Let's practice solving some one-step equations. Here, we have x plus 2.7 equals 10.9. We have to get rid of the plus 2.7 with a minus 2.7. What we do to one side, we do to the other. So x is going to equal whatever 10.9 minus 2.7 is, because these cancel out. So that will be 8.2. Feel free to use a calculator. Here, x minus 1.3 equals 4.2. In order to solve this, we have to get rid of a minus 1.3, so we can add 1.3 to both sides. So x ends up equaling 5.5. On the third problem, we have multiplication, because it's touching the x. 2.7 times x equals 5.4. To get rid of multiplication, we use division. Okay, so we divide 2.7 by both sides. This cancels, and x ends up equaling 2 in this case. Here, we're going to get rid of a divided by 1.3. So we're going to multiply by 1.3. Those will cancel out. What we do to one side, we have to do the other. Again, feel free to use your calculator. This will end up being x equals 0.169. And the last problem uses a fraction times x. The quickest way to get rid of a fraction is to multiply it by its reciprocal. Then the 7's cancel and the 3's cancel, and you're just left with an x. What we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other. So since we multiplied by the reciprocal there, we're going to have to multiply by the reciprocal here. At this point, you have 21 times 7/3. If you put 21 over 1, it makes it a little easier to see how to handle it. And you can actually do some cross-canceling here. So 3 goes into 21 7 times, and you end up with 49 over 1, which is just 49. So here x equals 49. Okay. So just remember to use the inverse operation and practice the reciprocals, because those can be a little tricky to remember how to do the cross-canceling.